Hello there everyone and welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm gonna develop some games with you all. Specifically I'm doing the 10-minute challenge that a lot of game development YouTubers have been doing recently. And when I'm saying like, a lot, I mean specifically like Brackies and Psycho and then a few others which I didn't know before but I know kind of now. Uh, But yeah, I wanted to jump on the train as well and try developing a game in 10 minutes. Or not developing really, but creating one. The one that I'm specifically gonna be creating is Snake. And yeah, I'm gonna create a script beforehand so that we don't have to wait for Visual Studio to open up. There we go. Yeah, I just quickly want to say sorry for being so inactive for the past few weeks, but I'm still figuring things out in high school and making my everyday work out. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure everything out and like saying how I'm gonna fig like put YouTube and Twitch and stuff like that into my current schedule. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Uh, 3, 2, 1, and go. So first I'm gonna start out by setting the camera position, like that, rotating it by 90 degrees, creating a cube, which this is gonna be the player. Set this position to 3 by 5. And create a sphere, which this is gonna be the fruit, and set this to 5, 0, 5. Yeah, and then yeah, I already have the tag, and that's because I have been actually creating this a few times now just to practice and to really figure out what I'm actually doing uh, before I did this video, just like Brackies did actually. Set this to kinematic. Open the script. Great. So I need a few variables. I need a game object that we can set from inside the uh, inspector. That is going to be a prefab. I need a vector3, which is going to be my direction. I need a list of game objects, which is going to be my snake list. Then in here, so I actually want to instantiate this too. So I need to first add myself to this game object, and then I want to start a coroutine. So I'm gonna run this on a timer, and that timer is gonna be run off of coroutine. So the coroutine is gonna be called snake update, and create this. Uh, yes, it does. Shut up. Come on. Wait, I'm just gonna do this then. So in coroutine, I want to do always while true, yield return new wait for seconds 0.5 f. Now for every single time that this loops, I wanna go over every single snake except for the head, because the head I wanna do something special with. So I wanna say snake i.transform.position equals snake I plus 1 dot transform dot position. Yes, and then for the head, snake.count -1, the transform.position plus equals direction. In order to figure out the direction, wait. And this is a IE numerator. There we go. So void update. I want to do if input.get axis raw horizontal does not equal 0. That means that we're pressing a key in the horizontal axis. I'm gonna set this equal to vector3.write times input.get axis raw horizontal, and then I'm just gonna copy this down here, except now this is gonna be vertical, and in the forward direction. So direction.normalize, just to make sure that it's always 1 or something like that. So untrigger enter. If other.tag is equal to fruit. So then I wanna like do all of the fruit logic. So first thing I wanna do is add a new part to the snake. Snake.insert 0 instantiate, and what I wanna instantiate is the game object called snake prefab that we set in the inspector, and the position and all of that is actually, I don't really care about that. So other.transform. So the position of the fruit I want to set to be equal to a new vector3, and just set some random values in here. Between 0 and 10. Now I'm not sure why this. Wait, what? Oh, that's probably from when I did the. Yeah, I know what happened, but I don't know how to explain it. And I actually want to use this one. There we go. Oh, I assumed that's my bad. Oh, no. I need to set the script and set the snake prefab. Just 3 minutes left. There we go. Now you may notice that it quickly spawns down here. That is because the position of this is 0, 0, 0. To get a big workaround, I'm just gonna set this to 100. There we go. So now we actually have a working snake game, except when we collide with ourselves nothing happens, so I want to fix that by setting the tag on these two to player, and then if the other.tag is equal to player, then I want to do Unity engine.scene management.scene manager .load scene from 0, and then quickly add the scene. Come on, there you go. Add open scenes. There you go. So now I should, if I collide with myself, be set right back to. If we reset, Now I want to be a bit bigger at the start as well. So I could do that by doing this, and then setting these with a new vector 3. So at 2, 0, 5, and quaternion dot identity. New vector 3. So 1, 0, 5, and quaternion dot identity. Now the snake should be a bit bigger when I spawn it in. Oh, of course. That actually means that I cannot do this in order to die thing. If auto attack equals player. I'm lost in this. I'm just gonna remove the thing that makes us die whenever we... There we go. Oh, I think I know why. It's because I don't have a start position thing. So, add that back in and... Oh, damn it. Okay, I'm gonna say this counts if it works. Wait, no, it doesn't quite work. I wouldn't call this working. So, okay. Well, I had the code in this state within the time frame, so just gonna call this for working. Yeah, there we go. A snake game. Where you can move into yourself, mark that, but it is a working snake game. Yay. So, I guess that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day. Oh wait, you can actually also take it from the side. So this is extremely buggy. But oh well, I don't care. This is just made in 10 minutes. Oh well guys, bye!